What's the deal? Yes, sir. SBE gang. Now look, y'all, it's your boy Young Swizzer, you feel me? And I'm coming at y'all with another reaction today. Now today we reacted to my boy Babytron Blizzard Talk. Now he just dropped this 2 hours ago. It's at 2.4 thousand views, you feel me? But well, probably when I upload this, it won't be 2 hours ago. But it's at 2.4 thousand views, you feel me? He did post a snippet, but I ain't listen to it because I ain't want to spoil it. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna make the video right now, edit it, and then upload it a little later, you feel me? But I'm gonna leave his Insta and the original link down below. Y'all go check it out yourselves, you feel me? But you already know what I'm finna say. Follow the socials down below. My Snap, my Insta, my Twitter, all that good stuff will be down below, you feel me? But yeah, I ain't finna keep y'all waiting too much longer. Let's hear Babytron talk that Blizzard talk.
Caught a knob out with art, time to shoot a movie. Yeah, this is the type of time we don't know. I ain't gonna lie. What up, get it?
Not the Nike tag.
Yeah, I'm in that one bag. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Shitty boys. Shut up, let that pay talk. Shut up, watch me take off. This ain't that. If it's up, take his face off. Swear I'm on fire, but the shirt say off. Big headed Tony Hawk finna skate off. $100 Maui, bitch, I do steak sauce. Throw a dub in your face, cause I ain't yours. Got it off the fraud, I ain't moving weight off. $500 method as a PDF. $500 Giphy out of CVS.
Not Giphy.
Shout out TCF. Throw a jab this way, that's an EMS. Yeah, that boy's some easy rest. Mary G's 50T, that's the easy flex. Yeah, yo, baby on fire, feel like Weezy. Bro in the kitchen with the, they thought Jeezy back. Bro flying around with that pistol like he Han Solo. With 100 killers, you will not catch Tron Solo. Horse and odds through this bitch, I don't rock polo. Feel like Tony with that 9 on me, I ain't not Roma. Think it's glue in the air, cause it's stuck with it. This a big ass Dior, don't get stuck with it. Yeah, I had a Jansport, but I jumped in it. D, how the fuck you make 10 and 1 minute? No, hey, towards me, shop prosper. $100 mac and cheese, cause it's full of lobster. Trap like Bahamas, cause this bitch full of rosters. No biker club, but the spot full of choppers. Big sticks and the shells like Donatello. Ball should be my last name, I am not Lamella. La tight bitch, feeling like Carmella. Slime talk thing, I'm finna come snotty bezza. These $100 sneaks, back up. Why the fuck are you broke and wax up? I'm the punch guy, 20 jacks stacked up. It's finna be a cold summer, you can ask Hutch. 018, me and D, we was running missions. Free act for that paper, I got tunnel vision. Big hustle, fast break, I run this shit. Put 20 on his head, like, yeah, he missed. I'm up 1 at all times, no, I'm up 50. Me mug when I'm out, they can't fuck with me. I'm with the Jack boys, they be like, yeah, get me. I'm with the Jack boys, yeah, bitch, come get me. I do it before I hit them all, yeah, I like more. Lost the oop up the stand, I don't like scoring. I had him sick, I was rolling up like Jordan. Fake ID, St. George, I punch like Foreman. Bro, play with hard, used to hit the hardwood. Bitch ass was my skill, I crack cards good. I ain't touch a single gram, boy, it's all judge. Would say I'm the source, but we all plug. Boy, they hate when I win, but I can't blame her. Ride around with 2 sticks, that's a PlayStation. You a super hand, boy, no, I can't save him. This some big ass drip, no, they can't strain. Like a hands, man, Wallace, till I go for it. Little bro like Hellboy, keep a blowtorch. The patience that I have for paper is so short. Bro, low key, keep a hammer, he don't know Thor. MVP shit, yeah, I'm going for it. Blue strip,
no Thor.
Bitch lean for a kiss like no whore. Remember all the meals, I don't take them no more.
Tough. Then he started jerking on Tough. And then Nike tag. Not Jesus, Shutterworth. That boy trying tough. That boy tough. That was that Blizzard talk, y'all. Y'all go check that out. Like I said, I'm gonna leave that original link down below. Tough. You heard him, he was talking. But that's nothing new. We not trying to be talking, so. You already know what I'm finna say. Follow the socials down below. My Snap, my Insta, my Twitter, all that good stuff will be down below. You feel me? And yeah. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And Swift Wisdom. Now I'm going.